Welcome back to Studentonomics TV. I'm Martin Dasco. I'm getting right to the point. No time to introduce yourself.
Well, hold on. I'm the host, Trevor Parkins.
No, so we're talking about 2 freelancing ideas and strategies for the next decade. You brought up a good point. Before we went to live to record, what's your point about freelancing ideas and strategies?
That if you're going to start a freelance business, when you're picking your niche, you don't want to get into something that is oversaturated with competition.
Yes. They say a rising tide floats all boats, all ships, whatever.
What does that mean exactly, though?
Oh, like if business is booming in one field, everybody will succeed, which is true. But you don't want to be like so very saturated. Like you don't want to be another motivational speaker, another general personal trainer, or anything general.
And you don't want to be the last person to jump on that rising tide either.
Exactly.
Because it's already been covered.
Exactly.
See, I once heard the saying: you could either be a little fish in a big pond, or a big fish in a little pond. Right? How can you make a splash if there's too many fish in your pond?
You're really trying it with these analogies.
I like that one.
You're really trying it, right? So tell us about how did you make money with freelancing in this niche of yours?
Well, I do my presentations, tours, and I've got merchandise. My niche, I picked something where I saw that there was no competition. Transit history.
Yeah.
And now
I don't care at all.
I know it's not for you, but
I don't give a crap.
Well, that's fine. You're not my target audience at all.
I know.
But the point was, I saw
I'm
that.
not deceased. I'm joking.
Oh yeah, there we go. I saw that it would be easy for me to dominate the niche because there's no competition. I saw potential, and I'm building it. I'm not a millionaire yet, but I'm quite happy with the progress I've made.
How do you make money?
Presentations, tours, and merchandise.
Yes.
Because I've got no competition, and I know you recommend Airbnb walking tours.
That's next. That's my next point.
So tell us.
So number one, when you're deciding on a freelancer side hustle, is to not do something very general or very vague. The world has enough life coaches, happiness coaches, all that crap. Do something specific. Like you do this. My brother became a barber. Like the world needs very specific things right now. And number two, jump on apps and platforms that are already there for you. So I was going to bring up Airbnb Experiences, which we have a full video on. That's a new platform that's gaining popularity rapidly. Yeah. It's already established. So Airbnb Experiences are things to do, things to see. Just watch the video, you'll get the point. But the app is growing, and as they're growing, they want more people offering experiences on their app. Mm-hmm. So instead of trying to reinvent the wheel, just keep it spinning, but spin it faster.
Well, now who's got it?
These are really corny.
These are great.
You know what I mean? It's like, if you're going to be a published author, try to get your book on Amazon, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah, get on Airbnb Experiences, get on Amazon. Go to platforms that are already popular and offer your service there.
Well, you're saying about books, though. I feel like books aren't huge money makers, but I think they really add to your reputation.
Of course. If you can summarize all your ideas into one book or one little document or one guide, that says a lot. And people will be like, oh, I like his ideas or her ideas. I want to work with them, right?
Great for your reputation.
Exactly. And yeah, so the world does not need more general people, and you need to jump on popular platforms and take advantage of them. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your freelancing in the 20s.